teach you about Islam and Al-Quran?
I studied a lot by myself. I bought so many books because I
Okay.
like reading. My hobby is reading books. So it was not a problem to study by myself by books. I have like maybe 20 more Islamic book and I finished. And Alhamdulillah, Sugimoto Sensei, that teacher, Ustaz, who translated this Quran,
Okay.
noticed that I am studying with this book, and he contacted me, and now he's my teacher. He's my Ustaz, and he introduced me to Cinta Quran Foundation, and now they are teaching me how to read Arabic, how to read Quran, and when I have a question, I ask them like, oh, what is the, today I ask what is the differences between Ustaz and Sheikh and this kind of thing. And now I can ask because now, Alhamdulillah, I have Cinta Quran Foundation, everybody, and community.